So yes, after 12 hours of work yesterday, the wooden mugs are finally done and in time for Christmas and also someone's birthday. But they're finally done and hopefully they, I guess, make the water tastier instead of inducing food poisoning. I did take care in the finish. I just used raw linseed oil and hopefully that one won't be poisonous. Red gum doesn't seem to be poisonous either. So hopefully it will be okay. So hopefully, fingers crossed, all is well. I'll probably try one of them out since two of them are birthday. And then one is for Christmas, which there's still a little bit of time. So I might try it for myself because I didn't make one for myself. I probably should have. I'm a little bit jealous now. That looks so good. All in all, I'm quite happy with them. Hopefully no one gets poisoned and I don't want to see them in the hospital cleaning their lungs out. I mean guts, whatever. But thank you guys for watching and Merry Christmas, all the best. Hopefully this video comes out before Christmas and see you guys later. Tastes like water. What else can I say? Yeah, I didn't get poisoned, don't worry.